Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2015 Mazda BT50 XTR dual cab ute, stock reference number 4636. This shape runs from the 10th month 2011 through to the 6th month 2020. There's a P5AT 3.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. P5AT 3.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has been in a rollover. It's fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. With the left rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Tailgate has some minor dents, still may be usable. Right front, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Driver side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, single stack CD player, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.